3. Good. Go. Go.
Make sure your elbow is up.
Go. Drop. Up. Down. Strike. Ready. Go 1. Step forward.
Drop down.
Turn. 2. 3. And 4. Here is very important. Look. So the second you hit, bring your right hand under left. Now turn your entire body, your hand will fall. And over. Here, make sure you strike. Hold it for a second. Check your strike. Remember the heavy cans in the, actually no, you were there, you didn't see that. Here, same thing, drop elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Go 1, 2, look up, 3, strike. Go 1, pull it, 2, go 1. Push. Right hand, left hand pushing, right hand pushing up, left hand pushing down. Fighting each other. The second you reach in front of your nose, look at my extended hand if you want. Go, and strike. 1, strike. 2, strike. Here first, grab. Whoa. Just one movement. When you grab first, strike down. Go 2, pull. With your left shoulder. Pull in. Right ear. Pull in. Push. Drop elbow. Elbow to chin. Claw the face. Strike the neck. Strike down. Grab. Here. Strike up. Catch the fly. Here, back fist as you go down. Good. Up. Claw. Pull. Ear. Push. Drop. Up. Claw the face. Strike the neck. Drop. Grab. Strike out. Catch the fly. Back fist. Punch. Go 1. Still here. Don't step yet. Pay attention. You're here. You turn, right on your block. Now you step back, block again. Right? Now you kick. And as you land, strike. Other side. 1. Step back. 2. 2, 3. 4. Strike. Go 1. 2 and 3. Go 1, 2. Pull. See this hand? You have where my right hand came. And they switch now. Go 1, 2. Clear completely. Clear the bridge. Claw. Kick. Clear. Claw. Kick. Sit right away. So as soon as you do your kick here, right away you land like this. Good. Your hand is a little further away. Here. Here. Look at me. Look at me. Right? Be here. Push down. Back fist. Lift. Punch. Pull it back in. Your aim is the head. Bang. Bang. You're here, right? Bang. And punch. Do it again. So as soon as you kick, come right here. Down, up, down, punch. Pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go back. It's this side now. Same thing like the other side. Push down, back fist. Lift, punch. Drop. Right here. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing. Got it? Turn around and claw. Make sure you clear your punch as you go claw. So you punch here, right? Bring it over, clear and claw. And then T-stand, go away from the front. And go punch. Skip. Uppercut. Step back. Block first. You see my hand as I step back, block. Now strike. So this is the same exact stance as you did on the other side. Just now. Good. Here. Push and go pull. Step one, rotate your hand. Here. Just drop it. Drop it as if you're gonna, yeah, that way. There you go. Left kick. Step over, kick. One, kick. Turn around, punch. Good. Lock. Oh, that's too much. That's too much. You're here, right? All you do is come here, because you're still facing forward. Now you pull. Pull and break. Other side. One. Pull. Break. Pull 1, 2, strike 3. Turn around. As soon as you're ready, your hand switch. 1, 2, and strike. Remember the butterfly, right? When you find me, perfect stand. No, go back. Go 1, strike 2. 2, strike 3. Step back, punch block. Step back, punch block. 21, double 1, double 2, uppercut block. Step back, block, punch. 21, double 1, double 2, uppercut block. Block, punch. Step forward, left leg, block, knee. Step back, elbow. Step over, block. Good. Heel first, and block, and shoot. Same thing here, close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Look where my hand is going. 2, 3, 4. Good job. All right, Lena.